Welcome to our channel of reviews of essential kitchen appliances. Today, we're going to talk about Nuwave's incredible air fryer grill oven combo. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this in-depth review. To make things easier, we've included the secure link to the website that sells this Nuwave air fryer grill oven combo in the description. The Nuwave TODD English air fryer grill oven combo is an incredibly versatile kitchen appliance, perfect for those who enjoy experimenting with various cooking methods. With 7 cooking functions, 100 presets, and 50 memory slots, this device offers a broad range of options, ensuring that you can prepare virtually any dish with ease. The appliance boasts a temperature range of 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, providing precise control over cooking temperatures and times, thanks to its linear T technology. One of the standout features of this air fryer oven combo is its dual-zone surround cooking. You can customize the top and bottom heaters independently, adjusting each from 0% to 100% power, allowing for truly tailored cooking experiences. The bottom plug-in grill and the top heater and fan work together to provide optimal cooking conditions, whether you're air frying, grilling, baking, or roasting. The Nuwave TODD English air fryer grill oven combo also includes a powerful preheat function that can reach up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that your grill is scorching hot and ready to sear meats perfectly. This high preheat temperature minimizes heat loss when opening the door, maintaining the ideal cooking environment. Another impressive feature is the integrated digital smart thermometer, which constantly monitors the internal temperature of your food. This smart technology ensures that your dishes are cooked to perfection by automatically ending the cooking process once the desired internal temperature is reached. The appliance is designed for convenience and ease of use, with an intuitive digital control panel that allows for on-the-fly adjustments to temperature and cooking time. This makes it easy to tweak your cooking settings without interrupting the cooking process. Additionally, the ProSmart Grill's Power Port technology ensures even heat distribution across the grill grate, which is embedded with generous amounts of heating coils. Included with the Nuwave TODD English ProSmart Grill are several useful accessories: a non-stick plug-in grill grate, a baking and drip pan, a stainless steel air fry basket, a stainless steel wire cooking rack, a digital smart thermometer, a quick and easy cooking guide, an owner's manual, and a recipe book. These accessories enhance the appliance's versatility and make it even more convenient to use. The device's large capacity, 15.5 QD, makes it perfect for preparing family-sized meals or cooking for large gatherings. Its 3 rack positions and 150 pre-programmed menu presets provide a wide range of cooking options, making it a great addition to any busy household. Positive points: versatile with 7 cooking functions and 100 presets. Precise temperature control with a range of 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Dual-zone surround cooking for customized heating. Integrated digital smart thermometer for perfect cooking results. Convenient on-the-fly adjustments to temperature and time. Large capacity, ideal for family meals. Includes several useful accessories. Developed with renowned chef TODD English. Negative points: the large size may require significant counter space. Advanced features may have a learning curve for some users. High preheat temperature may not be necessary for all cooking needs. Why you should or shouldn't buy this product? If you are looking for a versatile, high-performance cooking appliance that can handle a wide range of dishes with precision and ease, the Nuwave TODD English air fryer grill oven combo is an excellent choice. Its advanced features, such as dual-zone cooking and an integrated smart thermometer, ensure that your meals are cooked to perfection. The large capacity and variety of presets make it ideal for busy households or those who enjoy hosting gatherings. However, if you have limited counter space or prefer simpler cooking appliances, this may not be the best fit for your needs. Leave your thoughts on this Nuwave air fryer grill oven combo in the comments, and if you have any questions, write to me so I can answer them. If you've watched this far, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos.